Hello fan collectors. What we got here today is this 36-inch Lasko ceiling fan that I got from fellow fan collector Mark Wilson and also from Dan Newman. Thanks guys. And I really love this fan. These are one of my favorite childhood fans. I remember I was a kid. And I think I remember the first time I've seen one of these. My aunt and uncle had one of these with the original light kit. It was in their bedroom. I think theirs was a beige. I mean, I don't remember the stencil or pointed tips. I mean, they might have had pointed tips, but that's been a long time. They had this, and I think a 5-blade CC in their dining room. That's all I can remember the fans they had. But also, I remember these at the Walmart entrance, the old Walmart entrance. There were two of these from the early 90s, and then these got replaced by HRS Canarm 3-blade 36 Industrials. And used to see them run a lot on high speed. I mean, the Laskos I remember when I was a kid, I think they were either running on, actually it's hard for me to remember what speed they were running on, but I know they were on a lot. When my dad, or when my parents took me to Walmart and Hy-Vee, that was next to it. And this is winter white finish, and it came in many different finish that Lasko made. White, beige, blue, and someone said green, pink, and orange, I think. I could be wrong, but there is I've never seen a pink and orange, or I think I've seen a green, but the pink and the orange I don't remember. If you have all the colors of the photos, I mean, excuse me, if you have the photos of all the different finishes, I would love to see that. I mean, these are one of my favorite fans, and I would love to find a blue one. And this one does not have a light kit, and I do have its switch cap, but it will not fit on it, which that's okay. I mean, it looks fine the way it is. And I'll show you about this fan. In case if you're wondering, the top part, let me point it out to you if I can reach it. This part spins, but this one does not, because it's got the reverse switch, and it is reversible. And this is a plastic ceiling fan. Canopy is plastic. The top part of the motor and the bottom housing is plastic, and the blades are plastic. And I love the stencil. Absolutely love the stencil on the Lasko. Looks very unique and cool looking. And the other side of it's just plain. I don't know if you can see that very well, but yeah. Anyway, we'll go ahead and start this fan, starting off on low. It's a nice low. I mean, it's a very quiet fan. I mean, I think I heard a little hum from it, but I mean, it's not a bad hum, so it's still a quiet fan. Can't really feel much. You can feel a little bit of air in low, but okay. Go ahead and turn it to medium. Here's medium. And it's got a little wobble, but it's not bad. It's got some nice air on medium. Okay. Now turn it to full blast. And I tell you what, for a 36-inch plastic spinner, as I think most collectors say, this thing moves some pretty good air. I don't care what anybody says. This one's a good air mover. I like it. It's one thing I love. That's another thing I love about these fans. Perfect stencil, great air movement, and of course top mount, which I like top mounts. Alright, I'll show you the air. And as for the air movement, I'm not familiar with their RPMs. I mean, most of you can tell me the RPMs if you know it. So that's pretty much what I don't know, but that's okay. There's the top part, if you can see that. Just back up a little ways. I can kind of feel some air from back here too, actually. And then we'll put it to over here. Sorry, my camera's blurry. It tends to do that with the lenses. I don't know why, but I've had this camera for about 2 years. But it's very silent on high speed. Alright. I think we'll go ahead and power down. And I think we'll go ahead and I'll turn to reverse. I gotta be careful with this fan. There we go. Now it's on the reverse switch. So we'll go ahead and turn it on low. Oh. There we go. Here's your low speed. And it's very quiet on reverse too. Absolutely silent. Okay. Medium. That noise is coming from the wobble. It's got a little wobble in it. Yeah. Okay. And here is high speed. Very nice on high speed, but on reverse. Alright, let's go back a little ways and show you. I mean, it's a nice big garage too, and it's okay. Alright. Power down. And it's got a little quick spin down. Alright, there you have it, folks. Here's the 36-inch Lasko ceiling fan. And I hope you all enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. See you.